Good morning, everybody. So today we will be cooking something really yummy, and it's called French toast. Do you remember what French toast is? Well, if you don't remember, I will be showing it to you today. So before I show you the ingredients, you have to wash your hands. So make sure you have washed your hands, and make sure you really scrub them so that we don't get to put germs into our food, because we don't want germs entering our bodies, right? Okay, so now I will show you our ingredients. Today we will need 2 pieces of bread, an egg. Color is the egg. Color white. Now, and we also need some milk, some vanilla extract, and some cinnamon. Now, this vanilla extract and cinnamon, if you're feeling a little bit more adventurous today, maybe you can try them out. Let's see if you like it. But you don't have to put it. And of course, our secret ingredient. Let's see. Let me know if you can see it. It's called butter, our secret ingredient that makes everything extra yummy. And of course, some syrup. You can choose whatever syrup you want. You can put honey or maple syrup, or even make some cinnamon sugar if you want. Some white sugar with some cinnamon powder, then put it on your French toast. Okay, let's start cooking. Now, get your 2 pieces of bread. Get one first. Put it on the table, or put it on a cutting board or a plate. Now we're gonna use our knife. Be careful with the knife. Make sure it's plastic and you're not using it. It's not too sharp. So we're gonna cut it into squares. So we're gonna cut it. Cut it in half. I have 2. And then now I'm gonna cut it again in half. Wow! How many pieces of squares do I have now? Can we count? I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're gonna make some triangles. So get your piece of bread. Now we're gonna cut it diagonally. So we're gonna cut it like an X. We're gonna make an X with the bread. And then another one, diagonal. There you go. Look, I made some. What shape is this? A triangle. It also looks like a pyramid. How many did I make? Can we count together? I made 1, 2, 3, and 4. I made 4 triangles, and I made 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, and 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Okay, now that we have our bread, we're going to put them on the side, and now we're going to make our mixture. We will have some egg and some milk, and we're also going to have some vanilla extract. Now, if you're feeling a little bit adventurous, you could try to put some vanilla extract. So first, we will have to crack the egg. Maybe mommy, daddy, or yaya can help you crack. First of all, what color is the egg? It's colored white.
And where does the egg come from? It comes from a chicken. Can you make the sound of the chicken?
Now when we crack it open, let's see what color we will see inside. Let's crack it open.
Wow, what color do you see? I see color yellow. And it's in the shape of a circle.
And Now we're gonna add some milk.
What color is the milk? It's color white. And where does it come from? It comes from a cow. Can you make the sound of a cow?
1/2 cup of milk. So pour that into the bowl. Now, if you want to try, you can put some vanilla extract. Then I'll put 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just a little bit. Whoa, did you see the vanilla moving around?
And if you like cinnamon, you can add a little bit of cinnamon into your mixture, just a sprinkle. Or if you haven't tried it, maybe you would want to try it today. Now that we have our mixture, it's time to mix.
Mix it all around. Make sure it's all mixed. Let's count. Let's count up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's time to put our bread into the mixture. Okay, put it inside. So get your bread. Let's put it inside. Let's see what will happen to the bread.
Will it still be dry or will it absorb all the liquid like a sponge? Wow, look at the bread. It's not anymore dry. It's wet and it absorbed all of the mixture.
It's like a sponge. The bread is absorbing all the liquid. Now it's time to cook.
Remember to be careful. The stove is very hot and we can get burned. Now we will get our secret ingredient, butter. Wow, do you hear that sizzle? Look at what's happening to the butter. It's melting. It's getting smaller and smaller until it becomes all melted. Now it's time to add our bread with the mixture. Can you hear the sizzle? Now it's time to turn our bread over. Let's see what happened. Wow, it turned into a different color. It's now toasted and it became golden brown. After cooking, set it aside for a few minutes so it can cool down.
Now look at that. Can you smell it? What does it smell like? Does it smell buttery? That's because of our secret ingredient, which is what? It's butter.
Then you can enjoy it with some syrup or some cinnamon sugar.
I hope you like it.
Enjoy!